You have just installed an earth electrode. The connection looks solid. The conductor is secure, but you still do not know if the electrode is actually doing its job. The only way to know is to measure its resistance. In this video, we will discuss the correct procedure for resistance measurement of earthing system. But why should you listen to us? At Axis, we have been manufacturing a wide range of earthing and lightning protection for more than 30 years. You will find our products installed in solar plants, utility scale applications, substations, control panels, switch gears, and many more. Let's start with the basics. Earth resistance is measured to check how easily fault current can flow from the earthing system into the surrounding soil. A low resistance means the earthing system is working properly. A high resistance means fault current cannot flow easily from the earthing system, which creates a safety risk. Now, the measurement procedure. You will need 3 electrodes for this test. The first is the earth electrode you are testing. Call it electrode A. The second is an auxiliary current electrode. Call it C. The third is an auxiliary potential electrode. Call it B. Electrodes B and C are temporary test spikes. Note: before you begin, disconnect the earth electrode from the rest of the earthing system. Step 1. Set up. Place the current electrode C in a straight line from electrode A. The minimum distance between A and C is 30 meters for a single rod installation. The distance between electrodes A and C should generally be 10 times the length of the earth electrode. Step 2. Positioning of electrodes. Position the potential electrode. Place electrode B at 61.8% of the distance between A and C. If A and C are 30 meters apart, place electrode B approximately 18.5 meters from A. Step 3. Making connections. Connect the test equipment to the electrodes as shown here. Step 4. Get the resistance value. Set the rotary switch of the tester to the 3-point method. Now press the test button. The tester will display the resistance value of the earth electrode. This reading represents the true resistance value using the 61.8% method. I hope you now have a clear understanding on how to measure the resistance. At Axis, our team of over 50 engineers is ready to support your project needs for earthing and lightning protection, as AB cable accessories, lugs, connectors, and many more. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on electrical engineering. Before you move on to another video understands how to test your earth rods as per international standards, watch the video right here.